I believe that sustainability and profitability are a power couple. They are not going against each other. It might be that at the beginning you need to invest a little bit more, but at the end, look at what the investors are requesting, look at what the employees are requesting, what your customers are requesting. So I think if you invest in sustainability, so this will be also increased profitability in the near future. So this is really a power couple and is not against each other. And we can help you support, especially on your process, on your end-to-end process optimization, and in getting the right data here as well, and making the right decisions out of the data, because you need to have the data available to make the right decisions. When you make a process decision, having the right data at the right time in order to decide whether this process is a sustainable one, what are the alternatives, and also what are the costs involved. And in order to achieve this, we really need to connect the processes across the supply chain, the business processes with the operations process, really abandon these silos in order to have an end-to-end view, to span your processes and align it with your ecosystem as well, because your end-to-end value chains may involve contract manufacturer, may involve suppliers, may involve service providers, and you need to get a full visibility there as well. So you really need to have a platform that helps you record this data, because you need water consumption data, you need data from sensors in your machines, across your supply chain. Then you need a platform to combine this data, then to set up the standardized reports. I mean, ESG reporting is quite complex. And then also a platform that follows up on the action you have planned. And since I'm responsible for digital supply chain here, I mean, this supply chain is, in my opinion, responsible for more than 90% of the CO2 emissions. So it's also a great lever to change something with regard to sustainability. And I mean, it starts in the design area, where I always say in the design area, you plant the seed for sustainability. We have a solution called Responsible Design and Production that, for instance, helps you reduce plastic within your package and within your product. Also, when you design, you have to think about, what will be my suppliers of the future. And so you need to think about suppliers that can deliver the right quality, the right quantity, but also who can deliver in a sustainable way. And then, along the supply chain, planning super important for planning and simulating your CO2 emissions. And this is a super IBP can really support you here, also in doing a scenario analysis with regard to your CO2 emission. Think about logistics. I mean, logistics super important. On the one side, to reduce fuel consumption for your trucks, but on the other side, also packaging reduction in the logistics area. And think about manufacturing, think about repair, about remanufacturing. So there are a lot of topics where we and our solution can support. So our vision at SAP is really to enable companies to become an intelligent and sustainable enterprise. So it's about making intelligent decisions and also the right sustainable decisions, bringing enterprises together into a global business network, help our customers in going on a sustainable journey and creating a sustainable world altogether. This is what we would like to achieve with our solutions, with our people, as a company.